Right. Okay. Step one for this, I'm just loving this one. I think it's so good. God. It's hard. I don't want to smash your hair, honey, but it's hard. Okay. We're having a hard time today. Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
A fun, quick craft for you to do before the holidays when you have just a spare few minutes.
So we have 3 single ornament craft kits for you to try this year. So we hope you saw our first ornament. Today, we're gonna get right into ornament number 2.
If you missed that first one, we'll have it linked down below. And by the end of the week, we'll have a playlist with all 3.
That's right. Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
First step for this cute little ornament is going to be to glue your little blocks together to make, it's about a 2x2 square. And try not to glue your sister's fingers, please, or burn.
And don't glue it to the table.
I'm sorry, that's all the hot glue you get to use on this one.
Dang.
Now we're gonna take our little piece of paper and Mod Podge it on. It's almost the right size, but we want it to look a little
Edgy.
right. So we're going to antique-y. So we're gonna actually just rip the edges a little bit.
Creative freedom here.
Yeah. You can rip as little or as much of it off as you want. But if you get some of that little white part showing, then when we get in with the antique wax to antique it, it'll
Soak it right up. Cute paper.
ASMR.
I know. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. All right.
Mod Podge. We're gonna decoupage. It's been a while. Muscles, Sarah.
It has nothing to do with muscles.
So first you want to apply some either to the wood or to the paper, it doesn't matter.
Well, it'll just be easier.
Position your paper on just where you want it. And then you want me to do?
Sure.
Or I get to do?
You get to do. It's satisfying.
And then just glue it right down.
And this is matte. You know we love matte.
Mm-hmm.
Anything chalky, matte.
No shinies here except on our nails.
That's right.
All right, now we'll let this dry.
Are we ready to antique?
I think so. And what are we going to use to antique?
Waverly Antique Wax.
And our finger.
Oh. More importantly, our finger.
If you don't want to get your finger messy, you could use the foam brush too.
Or a Q-tip.
Or Q-tip, yeah.
You wanted to get tiny.
I just want to get my finger messy today.
There, why don't you just do that? I'm gonna let you.
Okay. Because I think it's going to take just a very little bit and just get your finger a little messy. Just rub it. This music paper here is quite yellow. I kind of want to get rid of that yellow. Oh, nice.
That's really browning that out nicely.
It is. Get it dirty. It's old.
Who knows where that paper's been?
I know, right?
I love it.
Oh.
Beautiful.
I mean, should we stop? It's hard to stop.
I think stop. You stop. I'm gonna put it away. You're done.
Go clean that finger.
Who knows where that finger's been? But it doesn't look good.
So now we have our block with the paper on it, and we're going to take our string next to make a little hanger. So just fold your string in half, and then we're going to tie a little knot at the top, and then I'm going to tie a second knot because we're also going to add a bead to this one, just like we did in our hoop ornament yesterday. So after you get your knot set, then just grab your bead and you can kind of twist the cord to get it to go through the hole. Catch it and pull it through. All right, now you have your cord with your bead. And I think I'm going to change this one up a little bit. You are welcome to glue the cord right to the back of the ornament, but I'm going to add a little line of glue across the top and then glue the cord all the way across the top. We'll have a little bit of a different look on this one. I'm just going to lay the cord right in that glue. For the finishing touches, we have a decal and a little leaf greenery accent for the top. In order to apply your decal, I would just rub over the letters a little bit and it should pull right off of the backing paper. Super easy to position it on your ornament. Then rub, rub, rub. And then I always peel my transfer tape from the side. So if some of it pops up, you can just push it back down. Add a tiny bit of hot glue from a green. You could add it to the top, you could add it to the front. I'm going to add mine to the front. And there you have it. Let's go hang it on a tree. We're so glad that you joined us today to see this transformation. We hope you enjoyed watching us, and if this inspires you to create something similar, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And while you're there, please click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next week.